Good day, everyone. So today we will show you a tutorial in using recovery scenario in unified functional testing. For our lab activity today, there are 4 tasks. We will record a test and deliberately manipulate it so that an error is generated. And after that, we will execute and see how the error was returned. Okay.
And create and add a recovery scenario to the test and run the test and view test results.
Hello, it's me. Before we proceed with creating and adding a recovery scenario to the test, which my partner will be later on showing to you, let us record a test first and deliberately manipulate it so that an error is generated. Now open your HP Unified Functional Testing. Continue. And here, no need to select add-ins. You can just proceed. Okay. Now let's go here. We'll be creating a new test. So go to new test. Under the select type, make sure to select the GUI test. And here in the name field, let's name our test recovery scenario test. Now create. So there. Before we proceed with recording, launch the flight desktop application, agent name training, password Mercury, then login. Okay. Once you are logged in, the flight reservation window appears. This is how it looks like. Now let's go back here. Now we can proceed with recording. Click the record button right here. Okay. And now we start filling up the form. The date of flight, select any date later than today's date. So today we are 23. Let's say we're gonna, our date of flight is on 25. 25. Fly from Denver, fly to Frankfurt. Afterwards, click the flight button in the flight reservation window. Then click OK to make the default selection. Afterwards, name, Shan, tickets, then and first class. Now let's click the insert order. After we have inserted the order, let's click the new form, new order button to make the form blank. Now we can stop the recording. After we save our test, we can now start with manipulating the test so that the test execution returns an error. Let's go to View, click the keyword View, and here we will parameterize the fly from, fly to, and the tickets. So let's parameterize first the fly from. So select the column. So select the value column of the fly from step to parameterize it. Now press Ctrl F11. The value configuration options shall appear. Select the parameter radio button and in the name field type fly from. Fly from and then click OK. We shall do, after we parameterize the fly from, we shall do the same with the fly to and the fly and the tickets rather. Control F11. Fly to parameter fly to ticket. Control F11. Ticket. Ticket. Click OK. So I'll make the data table entries. Frankfurt, Denver. I'll change this to 15. And then 1. So let's save the test. Save all. And then run it. Let's see what happens. The test generates an error because more than 10 tickets cannot be booked while in the first iteration. The test tries to book 15 tickets, which returns an error as shown here. Now click the stop button. Now let's close the HP Run Results Viewer.